Today I'd like to take a quick look at printing some labels within the Whisper application, and by doing so we'll also try to offset our labels so that we can continue printing on existing label sheets that might have already been printed on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to leverage our reporting functionality within Whisper. We've got a custom label template that we'll print to, but in doing so we'll also offset our labels so that we can continue printing on a sheet that has already had some printed labels on them. So I'm going to select a few labels here. I'm going to select 5, for example, a couple with some barcodes. And I actually want to print these labels, but I've got a sheet that the first 3 are already missing off of, for example. I'm going to go into our reporting functionality here. I'm going to generate a report here. I've got a custom one called volume labels with barcodes, and I want to just print these ones that I've got selected here onto a sheet, but in doing so I also want to tell Whisper to start printing on the 4th label. We're going to offset by 3. So I'm going to print selected items here. The volume label report starts running here, and it's actually prompting me for an offset. I can continue running this without an offset. I can put in 0, but like I had mentioned, we've got one here that we want to offset by 3. We want to start printing on the 4th one, for example. So we're going to offset by 3, and from the top left to the bottom right, we're going to kind of count out 3 labels. 1, 2 across the top, the 3rd one, first row down. And we want to start printing on that 4th label. So we're going to offset by 3. The report generates. Bottom left here we can see progress, and what we get here at the other end is our report for our label printing is actually offset by 3. This means that I don't need to flip my sheets around, and I can save these labels that might otherwise have been missed on my sheet. So here we've actually missed the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Started printing on the 4th, and our 5 labels here are put into my label template.